Hi guys, it's T-Bone Pearson here with a green screen deletion tutorial in Photoshop. Here's my little picture file. I'm going to open it up. Here it is. I'm going to zoom in with Control Plus. And over here on the right hand side, we are going to double click while holding Alt on a PC. There we go. That makes it editable so we can actually do things to this layer. Otherwise it would be sort of frozen. So let's go up to the top. And let's duplicate this layer because there's an issue with the reflection. So right click, duplicate layer, OK. Go to the top, go to select, color range, and then go to this little tool here, this eyedropper tool with a little plus. And we're going to select the green that we want to get rid of. So if it's white, it's going to delete it. So you can click around it, get all the different shades of green. Now, as you can see, the white is transparent. So it's showing the reflection on the steel there. So we're going to deal with that extra layer. Let's go to OK. Let's get rid of this bottom layer. And let's go cut. There. The checkerboard means it's transparent. But as you can see, we have an issue with this reflection got deleted. So let's take this layer over here and left click and pull it on top. And turn it on. So now I'm just going to go over here to what I'm going to use. Polygonal lasso tool. And we're just going to cut this out so it will be on top of, see a little O shape there, makes it complete. And now we can, we want to go to select, inverse, and we're going to delete everything that's not the reflection. Cut. There. Now we have, look, the reflection part. And now you can try to get rid of that green. We could go to Image, Adjustments, and we can go to Hue and Saturation and bring the saturation down. Get rid of the green. There. That works for me. All right. Well, there we go. So now let's also go around it like this and get rid of these black lines up there. So you'll see a little circle when you click that. There. We'll go to select, invert it, so it's everything but this, and then cut. We're on the wrong layer. We're on the reflection layer. So let's go to the one below it, and now we'll try cut. There we go. So we have this. Now, also, I want to bring this into my thumbnail. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to say cut. And we're going to go over here and go edit and paste. Now, let me see. I already had one in there, I believe. There it is. There's my good one. My little USB stick. We're going to go to edit, transform, scale, and just blow this up. Alright, so I'm going to finish this thumbnail, but that's basically... we lost a little reflection there. I didn't cut both. I should have cut both. There it is there. So I'm going to... let's see. Let's go edit, undo, cut pixels. Let's merge these. Flatten image. So I'm going to right-click both of them. Say flatten image. Now it's one. Although it added the background. Let's go Control-Z. And let's just copy them both. That's probably better. Copy merge might be better. Copy merged, yes. And then let's go edit, paste. There. Now I have a copy of the merge. Let's get rid of that one. Here, edit, transform, scale. And we win life. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll just hit enter here. Now I have what I want. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and let me know if this helped you out. All right, talk to you soon. Cheers. Bye.